Hey, welcome to another finance tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to cancel a MoneyGram transfer. So I'm going to show you the easy method, of course. So we're going to head over our MoneyGram app and we're going to enter it. Basically, this process needs at least a specific transfer. So I'm going to log in into my account. I'm going to skip this part real quick because it is going to black out the screen. So here, as you can see, we have the dashboard. Normally we are going to see the recent activities of the latest transfers. So you're going to find in your case that you have transferred or did a transaction. Once you have did that, you can go ahead and visualize them into the recent activity. Once you have them or clicked on the transaction that you want to cancel, you're going to see something like that. So it is going to be like this. MoneyGram, as you can see, title, transaction ID, and etc., the reference number, and you're going to see a button called cancel transfer in red. You're going to click on it and then you're going to click on yes. This is going to be the case if and only if you have the sender not picking the money. Because if the receiver, not the sender, but basically the receiver, if the receiver has picked up the money or retrieved the money, it is going to be done, and you're going to open up a dispute within MoneyGram contact or let's say assistance, and then you're going to have something or like a proof that you have been scammed, I think, or something like that, or the dispute type. And if you do not have, it is going to be gone. So make sure that you're going to trust the persons that you're going to send the money to. And also, if you're going to did or have something maybe in the wrong sending address or number, you can go ahead and rectify that by setting up a thing, and it is going to be set up. So you're going to cancel it, and here you have it. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon. And if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.